Just because I come talk the truth, the man no stop cuss me. I me no do the man nothing. True me talk about what him do with me back in the days. If it never nice, me wouldn't talk. Cause if him never do it good, me wouldn't come out come talk down. Me I tell you, sir. I be a fire in my blaze for me. I look like me no fit talk. I remember when we did up on the live the other night, and I tell you, no say, when him a do it, he come like him a snow pies. Me come like, me a squeeze into one, them a squeeze into one, them a squeeze into one, them and the man using teeth. I mean, I don't know why my greater down there, but him a greater something down there to blood clot, me no know what.
Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. A popular social media influencer, Reid 392 on TikTok, is claiming that a popular social media Rastafari soldier is eating under the sheets. And me not talk about no kalalo now, pumpkin and dumpling. I'm talking about he's eating the junkin. We're going to be talking about that right now, ladies and gentlemen. Subscribe, like, and share. The Rastaman is going viral again. Thank you for tuning in, ladies and gentlemen, to the Rastaman channel. It's the first time tuning in. Go ahead and subscribe. Become a part of the Rastaman panel. Big up the Rastaman channel. Ladies and gentlemen, a shocking turn of events. As you see on the right-hand screen, there's a Rastaman looking like me. It is me. And there is a famous social media personality hiding behind the picture. Me call her Mrs. Hide and Talk. Guess what she's doing? She's calling the Rastaman a dry land shark. Me I gonna make you hear what you a say, and then me I go forward and let you know what's really going on. Pan what I want, cause he thinking of me land.
Stop cuss me. I me no do the man nothing.
Listen.
True me talk about what him do with me back in the days. If it never nice, me wouldn't talk. Cause if him never do it good, me wouldn't come out come talk down. Me I tell you, sir. I be a fire in my blaze for me. I look like me no fit talk. I remember when we did up on the live the other night, and I tell you, no say, when him a do it, he come like him a snow pies. Me come like, me a squeeze into one, them a squeeze into one, them a squeeze into one, them and the man using teeth. I mean, I don't know why my greater down there, but him a greater something down there to blood clot, me no know what. But he nedge up my whole body from me born. Me ball out, me can't believe say one man. Kind of 90s and I like say, yesterday I do it in her today, you know. A long time I do it, you know. The man eat me so till he come like me weak. My body nervous.
She nervous.
Boy, I not tell a lie, me get the whole heap of time, but him a number one. Him come like, what I say, when you take drugs, him come like, when you take drugs for the first time. I saw this a Rasta man, I make me feel. All along, them as a Rasta no eat meat at Jamaica. They no eat cooked meat, but they eat raw meat.
Rotted.
And me I tell you, man, this a Rasta man, yeah. When he go down pan me, cause you know me I talk about when he go down pan me. Jesus, Mary, Joseph, man.
All
like a kill man want kill me with the man. Remember me tell you, man, for months, me sore, me nedge up. He Rasta bad him. I baddest Rasta me ever see. When they say no eat meat. When the man put up me two batty jar them pan a pillar, man. Me I tell you, man.
Yeah.
Me a God have mercy upon my soul, man. The Rasta ya baddest. As me say, anyone who know want to find him, just get to me. And me go no his number. Cause me and him not there again in a long time sitting. Just get to me.
Me and her not there. Me and her not there again. People. I'm going to put some text to the context and deal with it, because when I saw this, I was vexed. And I hold my composure and spoke to some counselors. And big up yourself, Chody. Yeah, you are the real cutie, real browning. You are ganty. Now, I want you to understand what is going on here. In the social media environment, this is called doxing. And I want to tell you who this woman is. This is Samantha Genna mother. Now, if you recall, there she is on the left-hand side and Samantha Genna is on the right-hand side. If you recall, about a month ago, Samantha Genna unfortunately passed because she went to Dominican Republic to have a BBL surgery. Earlier before that, Spice had complications and claimed that it was a burst hernia. But because Spike have on a Nike Spike and can run and have some family and some foreign money, she escaped the knife from the Dominican Spike. So, when Samantha Genna died, I made a video and I said that Samantha Genna, them a run down blade skin and them a run down BBL, and she run and she slide and she fell and now she swell and living in hell. So it appears that those videos circulate amongst the Jamaican society, and Reid seems to have not taken a liking to it. So she thinks that she can run in pan the Rastaman. You hear the lyrics where the woman a give me. And for tell you the truth, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know this woman, and this woman don't know me. So I'm letting you know, in the social media industry, this is called doxing. And in Jamaica, the Rastaman is the biggest target of making fun of. I.e., I want to play the video. But before that, I'm going to show you another example of what Jamaicans have done to the Rastaman. I, the Rastaman. In 2017, I traveled to the Montego Bay airport and was traveling back to my residence in Florida. Yes, this girl don't know me because I live in Florida. You are gone to so Jamaica and America I'm gonna deal with. Right now, I find myself in a peculiar situation because me no want to bonfire upon somebody grandmother. You are gone to. As you see, she's acting like she's young and having fun, but this woman breed from she about 13 or about 12, because Samantha, the fourth Genna, was 38 when she passed, and this woman is 50 at the top. She was 12 when she took the seed. So she is a narcissistic sociopath, and she's a pathological liar because she don't know the fire. Bun bugger wire. This is Mrs. Busterman T. You are gone teasy. Yo, listen to me, people. These people are evil. Imagine yourself as a Rasta and find yourself in a Santa. You are gone T. Make me fix me tam. You are gone T. And you know some people where you don't know from Jam 1 forward up to you and telling you that some woman talk some crap about the Rasta, and everybody know in the world that Rasta a star. Big up every little boy and girl all over the world. I'm not here to bash Miss Dawn Reid 392. I am just letting you know. She's telling you that the Rastaman was featuring her. And him are the wickedest thing. Thank you for giving me a promotion. My YouTube channel is going bing, bing, bing. And my money is going bling, bling, bling. But listen to me, people. Me I tell you, say, this woman is a devil from the pit of hell. You are gone tea. Now, look at this, family. Family, look at this. This is me in the 90s. You are gone tea. And at the end of the day, look at this. She's telling you that she knows me from the 90s. Knows me from the 90s. Ludicrous. United States of America Army. So I, man, just to let you know. No girl can swarm me. No girl can style me. Except for Siobhan. Big up yourself out of Killer Cuts. Yeah, right off of Oakland and 55th Avenue. Or my girl by the name of Molly. Yeah, pretty like a little dolly. Speaking of dolly, that them gal ya do. Them gal ya bleach them face. I go on like say them smart and I go on like say them have heart. But Rastaman, nah bow, nah pet nobody. You all gone teasy. So at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, I am man, nah joke. So listen to me, people. Spice, take a little dibble and a dice and slice up herself and escape. So in the pursuit of beauty, Samantha fought Genna, run over Dominica, and through the Rastaman told the truth that these black people that are bleaching are really beautiful. They're acting like they're beautiful. They're acting like they're cute. Right now, me I tell you, say, me will kick off our face with the truth. At the end of the time, these people are moving loose, like I Wayne said, because them not grow proper. Yeah, too much blues, too much cartoon, and too much soap opera. So at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari soldier. Listen to the mother of Samantha Fort Genna. Listen what she accused Rasta of. And tell me if I know this, she had this the entire Jamaica, Pankentire. You are gone tea and more fire. But look upon her face. She don't have no heart. Hiding behind the picture of the Rastaman and calling him a dry land shark. Look upon her face. Look like some bent up old kitchen fork. People, don't let me start cause the fire just spark. This is Dawn Reid. I wonder if she stop bleed. From she 12 she breed. She have Samantha Fort Genna. You are gone take and come on social media. The whole entire world. The internet telling every little boy and girl. Talking about how the Rasta are true and a chaw. Me I tell her say she need to go wash out her mouth. Look how me cute. Trying to hide behind Jaja youth. Tell me people if it's not the truth. I am going to make you listen one time to this brute. Evaluate and analyze. Looking at me eye and listen to me words. Listen to me vocabulary. And me this. Jaja pick me. Me mother pick me. The firstborn and only son. Listen, if me head never good, people wouldn't get done. But through me heart clean, and the Jaja son, me want you to look on the video here before you run. This is another example of Jamaicans trying to take advantage of Rastafari soldier. 2017, I and I man going along my way, fulfilling Jaja work. Reality me I deal with, not a dream. And here come one little Bugu Yaga, and look what he did to Rasta.
Take a picture.
Yes,
Take a picture. Take a picture.
Hold on.
Take a picture. Where the eye name? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where eye go?
Lot of here.
4 lot of here.
Yeah.
Big
Lot
arm
of
face.
here, me leg. Look, man, 95424555180.
Alright, may I come look for you.
I'm number that, 954. You see that? So listen to me, Miss Dawn Reid, 392 on TikTok. Me no need you to give out me number to the girls. And thank you for involving me in your social world. Because me don't give out me number all over the world. Man a star. Who you think you are? I'm Rastafari soldier. How dare you? Listen to this lying, presumptuous old piece of bucket. She says she don't know where me a greater down there and she don't know me. I did dry up island nut, coconut we drop off when no have no water in it. I saw you shun stay. You not tell them say you need vaginal rejuvenation anyway.
I remember when we did on the live the other night.
Yes,
I
she
mean, I
left
tell
her
him,
life.
say,
I chat about me.
when
I
him
dream, she dreaming about Rasta.
he come like him a snow pies. Me come like,
You hear that?
me a squeezing two and them a squeezing two and them, me a squeezing two and them and the man using teeth.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know why my greater down there. But him a greater something down there for blood clot. Me don't know what. But he made up my whole body from me born. Me ball out, me can't believe say one man.
Yeah.
Kind of 90s and I like say yesterday I do it in our today, you know.
In the
A long time him a do it, you know.
United States Army.
Him man eat me so till he come like me weak.
You lie like a
My body nervous. Boy, I mean not tell a lie, me get the whole heap of time, but him a number one. Him come like what them say when you take drugs. Him come like when you take drugs the first time. I saw this a Rastaman, I make me feel. All along them as a Rasta no eat meat at Jamaica.
Yeah.
They no eat cooked meat, but they eat raw meat. And me I tell you man, this a Rasta man ya. When he go down pan me. Cause you know me I talk about when he go down pan me. Jesus, Mary, Joseph, man. Like a kill man want kill me with the man. Remember me tell you man, for months, me sore, me nedge up. Rasta bad him. I baddest Rasta me ever see. When they say no eat meat.
Well, thank you for giving me the props.
When the man put up me two batty jar them pan a pillar man. Me I tell you man. May God have mercy upon my soul man.
Rotted.
The Rasta ya baddest. As me say, anyone who know want to find him, just get to me. And me go no his number. Cause me and him not there again in a long time sitting. Just get to me for his number. Cause me know now we supposed to bother to blood clot.
You say it again. Me want to know if you
Just
understand this spell.
The man
Say Jamaicans have an issue with
I mean,
Rasta
do the
people.
man
And because uno know it's evil, I'm gonna explain. Adding context to the text because me dep on the internet. And me don't know enough of them bad mind. So my skin done thick already for the crime that you gon' try to commit against Jaja's son. So make me turn you down. BBL, send your daughter to hell. She run, she slide, she slip, and pan the doctor knife she fell. And through me say she did a hell, and me na mourn for her, and you a do the same thing. Who know a buy Brazilian body. Who know a buy white people's skin. Who know a buy Chinese yai. Who know a buy Indian hair. Who know a buy white people titty. Who know a put in implant, outplant, and replant. Who know a suction, function, and do all kind of function. Who know look like cyborg. Who know look like a baby dolly. And that you no think, but guess what? When no man no want to no run and drink and take P. Mali. Look here. I know you love Rasta and you're dreaming in your dreams, but you're 50 and your juice stop flowing. And right now I want you to be knowing, and all of Jamaica know Rastafari soldier, and all America know Rastafari soldier. And how dare you, old grandmother, want to come size up with Rastafari? I burn me, we burn it down. But I'm telling you, I'm not gonna lie. I spoke to my brother, and him say, big you up, Samantha mother. And me talk to some people like Browning. And Browning say, hey, she's just clowning. Big up all of my fans pan Day Approach TV. This is for the free youth TV. No girl, no girl, no woman, no man can't style Rasta. You can put me on the internet and I lie. Listen to me. When me attack, the people believe I and I. And even if you don't believe I and I a Rastafari. I speak the truth, I speak the ever. That's why you on Day Approach. My family and my friends shock and appall that you would style the ancient icon Rastafari soldier as a bowman. You see the video right here with this person hiding and videoing me. A gal take up there. I hide him a video because they have a crocus bag of peanut.
Rastafari socia. Take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture. Where the eye near?
Rastafari socia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where eye I go? Four out of here. Dig on my face.
Look at my 9542455
Alright, may I come look for you.
I'm number that. 954. People are call me from England to China to Canada to Dominican Republic to the army. That's why I'm on the internet.
Take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture. Take a picture. Where the eye near? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where eye I go?
Now I'm speaking.
Four out of here.
And
Dig on my face.
Look at my 9542455
Alright, may I come look for you.
I'm number that. 954. Knowing here comes one little bogo yaga dolly looking like it's snowing. From your melanated and your bleaching, you are tell God say you don't like yourself. And from you I do BBL if you run and slip and body swell and end up in a hell. Me nah cry no water nah come in a me yai. Me I tell you again. So listen to me, Don Reid, 392 TikTok. Me people them. Me want to not make she know say she flip flop. Cause Rastafari soldier can't flop. My intellect, my vocabulary, my extension of my resume cannot be flapped by some oral blows and infatuation about Rastafari. Because I know if a woman them, always I hope say Rasta can yam them, But we don't eat flesh like that. You are gonna tease it. So, in your dream, you're dreaming that you even know the king. I know you seen the video where me I put pale lava upon your bleach out skin because you don't love yourself. You don't like black people. You don't like Jamaicans. Anybody you see a bleach, Hannah try look like the teach, me lava them 1 minute, second hour every day, Panny Beach, Panny Hill, anywhere me see you. Burn a bleacher. Fire pan a bleacher. Me want them one time and them go follow the teacher. And you see where he end up. Him say, Shun can't get in a prison. And through the bleaching thing, him no want no Shun. And you, my girl, I boast and brag. But Rasta, I lick you. You are tell the people them say you do it all the time. You admit say you are Bowies. And that is a criminal cultural crime. Rastaman not in a that. We not in a that. When me want the people them know we are cities. If you make Dan Reid know say, she touched the wrong Ras. And 1993 this, out of high school, New York, Boyard, Bronx, gone hell, listen to me, blood spell, Metcalf, Ward, Crows Avenue, you don't know my resume. You are going to in the 90s, a United States Army, you are going to me there. So you see Rasta, you think Rasta fall. What you doing in the 90s? In the 2000 college, me there, fall in a foreign. You don't know me, your whole home barren. You like your daughter Samantha did a jacket. Mine you go to one hospital and thief it, your mouth of you lock it. Listen, as a 50-year-old woman, you should not spin around in a mirror on social media sound like some bicycle sprocket. If you go check your 18-year-old daughter over Spanish Town and take care of it. Imagine you're 50 and your daughter was 38. That means you breed at 12 and you want come go on like you want this Rastaman. You are fool. Mrs. Dawn Reid, thank you for bigging up my status. But you shoot and you miss. A Rasta you try for this. Listen to me. Me no bow. Girl shun me no kiss. If you tell you the truth, me not even know how pum look. Me no know how pum look. Me have toe picnic and me is a Rastaman out there on social media. Me I tell you straight up, me don't know how pum look. Me look on it 1 or 2 times. From me say it did it. Which man, people leave your comment in my comment. Look, leave your comment in my comment. You there with your woman 100 years. You look on the pum once or twice. You know say it did it. You just feel it and jokey. Una fool. Which man I go to there have him face up in a shun? Uno I idiot, especially Rastaman. I this the girl try for this. I miss the girl try for miss. And you see through me famous. As me walk down the street, the people them see me and greet and meet and tell me, say, Rasta, that girl you this year, beat and teach. You hear she a tell upon herself. She say, me are the baddest. So me I go tell you, this girl you are the baddest. She don't know me. She a fantasize. She don't know that I'm a mother, I'm a granny, I'm a father, and the United States, and Jamaica, and the army, and a whole bunch of Rasta grow me. She don't know me. She's just fantasizing because she's always home lonely, playing with her toys, looking like a little Barbie doll, wishing she had some boys. So she see a real man on social media, and because you could Google me, Rastafari Soldier, and you could Google me, Delroy Renton, and she want a strength. She want a strength because she's not having good health right now. Because you see when you bleach, the mercury in your mouth, your skin, and it make your whole immune system go down and your body slim, and your skin thin, and your brain get ringy. You are guarantee. So you can't try me. You are guarantee, my girl. You are beg a hype. Until you feel hurt because me tell the truth. Say your daughter don't love herself. And you know why she don't love herself. And you feel guilty, You feel guilty, And the highway, me I kill you with the highway right now, Because you see it in my video, People don't see it in my video, This here woman,
just because I come talk the truth, the man no stop cuss me. I me no do the man nothing. So me talk about what him do with me back in the days.
Why you a hide and
if it never nice, me wouldn't talk. If it never did good, me wouldn't come out, come talk down. Me tell you, sir. I be fire in my blaze for me.
Listen,
I look like me no fit talk. You remember when we did on the live the other night? And me I tell you, no say. When him a do it,
when me a do what?
He come like him a snow pies. Me come like me a squeeze into one, them a squeeze into one, them me a squeeze into one, them and the man using teeth.
Yeah, what me
I
do?
I don't know way my greater down there.
Are you dry up coconut chun when no water no inna did a greater inna your mind? She sit down there with her vibrator and drop asleep, me people. And because it a vibrate on her pillow, you all gonna take the girl I wish about Rasta. Wish she had a real nice fella. Look how me cute. I did truth. She wish me breed her and give her a next youth. I fool that. Woman come par internet. Listen, Vado tell you, man a wicked, But woman a little lie, Get used to this kind of social media, people. At this I go on. This in America. Come here, I'll tell you straight up. Me live a blouse and skirt foreign from 80 centing. Me live a foreign from 80 centing. This a woman don't know me. She lie like a carpet. She lie up, she lie down, and she lie around. From her track record of having a 30-something-year-old daughter at 50. You know I am not lying. I am not insinuating. And I don't views now, no thumbs up I'm buying. Leave your comment. Make me know if you think the Rasta are eat and a shit. Make me know if you think me do it. And me no care what you say. Cause look here, if you believe it or not, I am sure in myself you are go tired to see me face. Look in my face. Look in my eye. No matter where Jamaican bad mind chai. Listen, I'm intellectually inclined. Me have me own mind. Me not live off of no YouTube time. Me put in work, for what is work, blouse and skirt. Me no hurt. Listen, me thick skin. Me don't know say uno did not go try Rasta like this. Me know it long time. When I heard and saw it, I was a little bit pissed, but I tried to deal with it with a little twist. Ladies and gentlemen, you're tuning into the YouTube, Rastafari, YouTube, the Rastaman channel, and some idiot witchcraft Jamaican woman. I try to turn it into a blue panel. Not because you see me background blow. Don't bring Rasta in a non-blow tube. You all gonna tell this is the new tube, it's Rastafari, so I want to big up all the people them from Santa Cruz. You all gonna tell, cause this your woman you lost. Big up my brethren, bros, my cousin, you know it's true. Big up power every minute, every hour. I want big up Cornwall District, Cornwall, P.O. St. Elizabeth, Lacovia, Slipe. You know that we planted for Spite, Mountainside, Magati. We Agati. I would them girl, call me. You all gonna tell 876-553-8. You don't see it? You don't see number right there, sir? Eh? Right as upon me thing, sir. You no call me. And if you don't get me, I foreign me, they call me fly out if you hear from the shout. But right now, I am in St. Elizabeth, so you see the content cut a little bit. Sometimes I'm not there. But listen, imagine people. You're walking down the street, and people that you meet, say them see people which see you image by internet because Jamaicans on the internet, so that's why I have to touch it. I am not going out like popcorn. We gotta talk about me on internet just to get a view. Them sell them soul for your clicks and likes just to get a little hype. But guess what? This is not right and this is not nice. So you can't spite Rastaman. People them know me from left and right. Been in my crew. No I and I man. Don't do those things. So it don't make no sense. You know I go on like say, you know, I don't believe it. Come and see other people pick it up and have it on them channel. And I say, look here, whatever. Subscribe, like, and share to the Pooch TV. You hear the truth. Yes, if you want to hear the truth, big up yourself from Rastaman panel. Woman, leave your comment. Look at the Rastaman. I'm cute. It's the truth. Me now big up myself. I am sure in myself. That's why I have this persona and I have this intellectual gathering. Yeah, cause me put in the work in myself. Now look a barren 50-year-old dry up shun gal we need vaginal rejuvenation can diss me on internet and get away. More fire. You not grow proper. You are going to have too much blues and cartoon and you want to be a white woman you bleach out. Too much soap opera. And more life and more joy and more happiness. It's Rastafari, soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Big up yourself. No one else. Listen to this fool. Make me make you hear the story again. Because I like over primary maker, you know. Good school. She lie up, down, and around. And you can't take Rasta for clown. Big up yourself. And no one else. Leave your comment. Leave the truth. Cause you're tuned into Dave Rhodes.
But it nedge up my whole body.
She said me nedge her up.
Me ball out. Me can't believe say one man.
Me want to know why she hide. She name Dan Reid. Go look pan her. I wrote about this.
A long time him a do it, you know.
A long time I do it.
He man eat me so till he come like me weak.
Weak out.
Body nervous.
Okay.
Boy, me not tell a lie, me get the whole heap of time, but him a number one. Him come like, what them that say when you take drugs, him come like.
Alright, she get it enough time, you know.
First time, I saw this a Rasta man, I make me feel. All along them as a Rasta no eat meat at Jamaica. They no eat cooked meat, but they eat raw meat.
Move your blouse and skirt to say your head look like a one piece of coconut hooks.
When him go down pan me.
Yeah.
Cause you know me I talk about when him go down pan me.
What you talk about?
Jesus, Mary, Joseph, man.
All three of them you lie, all three of them they lie too. Jesus, Mary, Joseph and all of them are lie. Just like you.
Rasta bad him. Then
why you never saying good?
See, when they say no eat meat. When the man put up me two batty jar them pan a pillar, man. Me I tell you, man. Me a God have mercy upon my soul, man.
So you hear she admits she have your shit up on her pillow? Uno here.
Say, anyone I know want to find him, just get to me. And me go
just
me
give
number.
Me number right now.
I'm there again in a long time sitting. Just get to me for your number. Because I know we supposed to bother to blood clot.
People, after 1980 something me live a foreign. People just stupid
just
and
because I come talk the truth, the man no stop cuss me.
Me done with this.
And me no do the man nothing. True me talk about when he do with me back in the days. If it never nice, me would not talk. Because if it never do good,
on social media and I share up the lie where you tell. Because you can't hear it in your voice. You are hide behind the Rastaman to get some view. Little hide and talk. I call Rasta Giant Shark. just because you not grow proper, and your picnic them not grow proper, and then drop out, and you, before you be a good mother or a good grandmother, you out a post on social media and forget some likes and clicks and likes. You want disparage, you want violate Jamaica's most bright, the Rastaman. In Nanga work, for what is work, more fire upon your blouse and skirt. People, subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman. You can listen the truth. Can you hear? Dan Reid a fool, 50-year-old, and can't even read and write. She didn't go to a good school. Big up on herself, yeah. A Rastafari soldier. Listen, because the Rastaman read the news in his own context, I may put into thing where I know the people would like, and my cute is the truth, and I tell the truth to the youth. These brutes are always going to attack the Rastaman. So when you see the Rastaman channel, subscribe, like, and share, and leave your comment to build up the Rastaman panel. More life, more joy, more strength. Thank you for being a part of the Rastaman government. More lava.
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy lightning and who roll the thunder? Deep root flashy lightning and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari socia, real fire king. Yeah, bang bang, I can't wait.
Pick up the TV.